Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make these cute and colorful tutti frutti at home with only one main ingredient. You can put them in your cakes, cookies, puddings, or even ice cream. So the main ingredient you need is watermelon peels. So all you need to do is peel them and remove that outer thick green layer. Then chop the remaining white part, but don't chop it very finely because they will reduce in size. So now I'm going to boil them in water until they're half cooked. If you don't get watermelon for some reason, you can use raw papaya for making them. The procedure remains the same. Okay, so as you can see, they've become translucent, they're half cooked. Now we'll prepare the sugar syrup for cooking them further. I'm using 3/4 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water, and I'm going to let it heat until the sugar boils and is completely dissolved. We don't want to make a thick sticky syrup, so we'll just wait until the sugar is dissolved and then we'll add the half cooked watermelon peels. Now we'll boil them in the sugar syrup until they're completely cool. It'll take around 15 to 20 minutes and the sugar will get reduced. You don't need to buy tutti frutti from the store anymore. It's super easy to make and it stays well in the fridge for about a month. And the best part is that you can add any color you want. The stores usually have red, green and yellow. So the sugar syrup has reduced and the watermelon peel has also reduced in size and it is completely cooked now. You can leave them as it is or you can add some color to them. I'm using artificial colors. You can use natural colors also. So I've divided it into 3 bowls and I'm adding some vanilla essence to each. This will give our tutti frutti a really nice fragrance. So now I'm going to add color. I'm using red, green and orange, the normal ones that are available in the market. You can use any color you want. There's no hard and fast rule as to what color tutti frutti you should have. If you try this recipe with different colors, tag me on Facebook and Instagram with your pictures. I would love to see them. I added some sugar syrup to each bowl of tutti frutti so that it's completely soaked, and this is what will give your tutti frutti the color you want. If you're using gel colors, please add very little of it. I only added 1 drop of green color and it got so dark. You can even use powder colors or liquid colors as well. Just put in a drop of color and mix it well until you achieve the color. You can add more if needed. You can even use natural colors, that will be great. So now our tutti frutti is almost done. Now we have to wait for about 12 hours to let them soak in all the color. So I'm going to cover them with cling wrap and let them sit overnight. And after 12 hours, this is what the result is. The tutti frutti has completely absorbed all the color and it looks so beautiful. I can't believe I got it from the market all this time. It's super easy to make. So all 3 of them have got a beautiful color, and now it's time to squeeze out all that extra sugar syrup that our tutti frutti is soaked in. I'm using 2 tissues, but I would recommend you use a thicker one because there's a lot of syrup that needs to be squeezed out. Simply pick it up in your hand and squeeze it as much as you can. Remove all that excess water and you will be left with beautiful dry homemade tutti frutti. So here it is, our tutti frutti is ready. You can use it on cakes, ice creams, puddings, custards, anything. You can give them any color you want. You can use turmeric, beetroot for giving them natural colors if you don't want to use artificial colors. I've combined them all together and they look so pretty. I know the green got a little dark, but works for me. It tastes super amazing. Watermelon peels get thrown away almost every day and all of us have a lot of time on hand, so I think this is what you should try next. If you tried this recipe, please let me know your reviews in the comment section. I love reading them. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos and press the bell icon so that you never miss any video. I'll see you next time.